Real strength isn't about muscles. It's about never leaving someone behind.
Oh my god, viewers, take a look at this. This entire 2D animation was created with just one click. Just look at the quality of the final result. The animation looks incredibly smooth, visually engaging, and professionally designed. First, I want to show you a few YouTube channels that are getting amazing results with this exact style of content. The first channel is Explain in Paint. As you can see, the channel has built a very impressive audience, and if we look at its most popular videos, many of them have received an incredible number of views. The entire channel focuses on simple 2D stickman-style animations, proving that this type of content has huge potential. Now let's look at another channel called Stickly. This channel currently has around 32.4K subscribers, and one of its videos reached 2 million views in only 3 weeks. That's absolutely incredible. What's even more surprising is that these channels are extremely new. I'm not showing you channels that were created years ago. Most of them are only 1 or 2 months old, and one of them is just 1 month old, yet it has already grown tremendously. Let's take a look at another example. This channel has already reached 51.7K subscribers with only 33 videos. One of its videos crossed 1.6 million views just 1 month after being uploaded, while another has already surpassed 700,000 views. The interesting thing is that all 3 channels have one thing in common: they all upload the same style of content, 2D stickman animation videos. More importantly, all 3 channels are already monetized, which clearly shows the earning potential of this niche. Now let me show you exactly how you can create these types of videos yourself. I have prepared a master prompt specifically for 2D animated story videos. You'll find the download link in the description below. This master prompt already includes everything you need. All you have to do is copy the prompt. After copying it, simply open Claude AI and paste the entire master prompt into the chat. As soon as you submit it, the generation process will begin automatically. Personally, I've been loving Claude AI recently because its results are incredibly detailed and well organized. Within about a minute, it generates a complete package for your project. It gives you a story title, story summary, character reference prompt, scene-by-scene image prompts, video prompts, voiceover scripts, sound effects, background music suggestions, and everything else required to produce a complete animation. Now the next question is, where do we create the images and videos? For that, I'm going to use OpenArt AI, which is honestly one of my favorite AI tools. It offers almost everything in one place. Recently, they've introduced a new director feature that allows you to create short films, music videos, UGC advertisements, and many other professional projects. Besides that, it also includes dedicated sections for video generation, image generation, character creation, world building, and AI audio, making it an all-in-one platform for creators. Let's start by creating our images. I'll open the Create section, and the very first model I'm going to select is Nano Banana 2. The reason I'm choosing this model is because it has become extremely popular for generating high-quality 2D animated artwork while maintaining excellent character consistency across multiple scenes. Once Nano Banana 2 is selected, I'll copy the prompt for scene 1, paste it into the prompt box, choose my desired aspect ratio, and in my case, I'll select 9:16 since I'm creating a YouTube Shorts video. After everything is set, I'll simply click Generate. After waiting just a few moments, my first image is ready. Take a look at this result. The image is incredibly detailed, vibrant, engaging, and professionally illustrated. It perfectly matches the animation style we were aiming for. Now I'll copy the prompt for scene 2, paste it into OpenArt AI, and click Generate once again. After another short wait, the second image is finished. And honestly, the quality is just as impressive as the first one. Next, I'll repeat exactly the same process for scenes 3 through 10. I'll simply copy each image prompt one by one, paste it into OpenArt AI, and generate every scene individually. Once all the images are finished, I'll show you the complete result so you can judge the quality for yourself. And after waiting for all the generations to complete, oh my god, viewers! Look at this! Every single 2D animation image is now ready. Just look at the overall quality. The artwork is incredibly clean, colorful, and visually engaging. Every scene looks like it's part of the same professionally illustrated storybook. So our image generation process is now complete. The next and probably the most exciting part of this tutorial is video generation. I'm about to show you the AI tools I'll be using to transform these static images into fully animated videos, and I think you're going to be genuinely impressed by the results. So, let's get started with the video generation process. I'll head back to the Create page, and this time, instead of selecting Image, I'll simply switch over to the Video option. Once you're inside the Video section, you'll notice that OpenArt offers a variety of powerful AI video models. Today, I'll be demonstrating two of my favorite models. We'll start with Pixverse, and after that, I'll show you another excellent model that delivers equally impressive results. First, I'll select Pixverse. Then, under Add Start Frame, I'll upload the first image we generated earlier. After that, I'll copy the corresponding video prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Make sure to keep the audio option enabled because we want the generated video to include synchronized audio as well. Next, I'll choose my preferred output settings, such as 720p resolution and the video duration that best fits my project. Once everything is ready, I'll simply click the Generate button. As you can see, my first image to video generation has now started. At this point, all you need to do is wait a few moments while the AI processes the animation. And after a short wait, look at this result. Oh my God! Viewers, this is absolutely amazing.
A peaceful moment worth remembering.
Just look at the quality of this animation. The motion is smooth, the character remains perfectly consistent, and the generated audio makes the entire video feel even more professional. This is an incredible result. Now let's move on to the second video. I'll upload my second image, paste its corresponding video prompt, and click Generate once again. After another short wait, here it is. My second animated video is also ready. Both of these videos were created using the Pixverse model, and honestly, the results are absolutely fantastic. Now I'll go back to the model selection menu, and this time I'll choose Seedance 2.0, which is currently one of the most trending and powerful AI video models available on OpenArt. Next, I'll upload the next 2 or 3 images, paste their corresponding prompts, and start the generation process. Instead of showing every single step again, I'll jump directly to the final results, so you can see the overall quality produced by Seedance 2.0. After waiting for a few moments, look at these final results, viewers. All of my videos have now been generated successfully using Seedance 2.0, and the quality is simply outstanding. The animations are smooth, the movements look natural, and the character stays perfectly consistent across every single scene. This is exactly the kind of professional quality result we're looking for when creating 2D animated stories. Honestly, I have to say that OpenArt is one of the best AI platforms for both image generation and video creation. Whether you're creating high-quality illustrations or transforming them into fully animated videos, the platform delivers excellent results. As you can see, my complete 2D animation project is now finished, and the final output looks absolutely amazing. Now, if we talk about the pricing, OpenArt offers very competitive monthly plans that are affordable for most creators. If you decide to subscribe annually, you can save up to 27%, making it an even better value. Depending on your needs, you can choose the Advanced, Infinite, or any other available plan and start creating professional AI content without any hassle. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.